So you're watching TV and the screen goes blank, but you can still hear a sound coming from the speakers. Most likely this is caused by the LED backlight going bad. It is wired in series, so if one LED goes out, it prevents the rest of them from lighting up. Today I'm going to show you how to diagnose and repair the issue, so stay tuned. Hey, how's it going? I'm Lee, and before we get started, I do have a disclaimer. Please use caution when disassembling the TV. Most TVs have the power supply built in, and once the back cover is removed, it is fully exposed. They consist of capacitors that can still hold a charge. This causes a risk of shock, so again, please use caution. Let's begin. This specific TV is a Samsung 50-inch with the model number of UN50H5203AFXZA, but the process is mostly the same with other TVs. You will need to disassemble the TV in order to get the actual part numbers for the parts that need to be replaced. Manufacturers tend to use different parts for the same models. First, we can check to see if the display is still functioning. We can do this by shining a flashlight at an angle while it's still on. It'll be dark, but you should still be able to see a picture. After you have determined that the screen is still working, unplug the TV. Keep it unplugged for at least 24 hours before disassembling. Here is a list of tools needed to complete the repair. As you can see, there is a tool specifically designed to check for bad LEDs. If one is not available, you can use 3 9-volt batteries and some wire to produce the same effect. I won't need to test the LEDs since I will be replacing all of the LED strips, which is highly recommended because when one LED goes bad, others will soon follow. At this point, you can now test the LEDs. This diagram shows how to connect the 9-volt batteries in series and where to connect the wires on the LED strips. Make sure to disconnect the LED strip from the TV. Each LED on the strip uses 3.5 volts, so depending on how many LEDs are on the strip will determine how many 9-volt batteries will be needed. As you can see, we are done. If this video helped you fix your TV, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below. Thank you.